Yes, guys, did you get an account warning by TikTok and you want to remove that warning? You came to the right place today because we're gonna fix this for you. And we, of course, we go first to the app TikTok. And if you can't find it, of course, now it's over here already. But we search it and we open it, and you can see I'm at my profile page, and the TikTok warning has given by a robot. So that's good to know. It was not a human who saw you and gave you a warning. It was a robot. So the robot gave you the warning, and that can be a mistake because sometimes there are mistakes by that. You heard it more, and we're gonna fix it. Well, we go to the three lines at the right at the top of your profile page, and we go to settings and privacy. Yes, then we scroll a little bit down and you see report a problem because we need a human for this problem. Report a problem. Yes, now, well, then we click on account and profile. Yes, and then we have to tap on profile page. And then we tap on other. And we tap on no. And we tap on need more help. So here we can give some feedback to the human who is behind TikTok and is gonna resolve your problem in most cases. Well, we go type the following text, and I will paste it in the description, and you can copy and paste it. We type the following text. Hello, sir, or just hello. That doesn't matter so much. Hello, TikTok gave me a warning, and I think it's a mistake. Yes, please, can you give it another look because my account is growing a lot, because we need to say the last my account is growing a lot because TikTok wants to help you because your account is growing, and they get, of course, if your account is growing, TikTok is growing, so that's better. If you have any movies or any pictures, please add them to this problem because that makes it more strong. Yes, so you can tell this to TikTok, and then in 1 or 2 days you get feedback on this report, and you submit it, of course. Yes, so let me know in the description if this helps for you, and give this channel a subscription. That would be very nice of you. That's the only way to thank me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks.